In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch interface to dark mode in PowerPoint. If you spend a lot of time building slides, switching the interface to a darker theme can make a big difference. It reduces eye strain, is easier on your vision in low-light environments, and can give your workspace a cleaner, more focused feel. The best part is, it only takes a moment to set up. Start by opening PowerPoint. With the app open, look toward the top left and click the File tab. This opens the Backstage view, where you manage settings and preferences. From here, select Options. The PowerPoint Options window will appear with a list of categories on the left. Make sure you're on the General tab, which is usually the default. In the General section, scroll if needed until you find the area labeled Office Theme. This setting controls the look of the overall interface across Office apps. You'll see several choices, but the two dark options are dark gray and black. Dark gray gives you a softer, muted appearance, while black is the full dark experience, with deeper contrast across the ribbon, menus, and panels. Choose the one that feels best for your eyes and your environment. As you select a theme, you may see the change take effect immediately in the background. If not, that's okay. If the interface doesn't switch right away, simply close PowerPoint and reopen it. Before you do, be sure to save any open presentations so you don't lose your work. When the app launches again, the dark theme you selected should be applied across the interface. A quick note for clarity. This change affects the PowerPoint interface, the ribbon, menus, and background panels. It does not change the colors of your slides or your presentation content. Your audience will see your slides exactly as you designed them. Also, if you ever want to go back to a lighter look, you can return to the same Office theme setting and choose white or colorful, and the interface will switch back. If you don't see the Office theme option, you may be using an older version of PowerPoint. Updating Office to a more recent build typically brings this feature into the general options. On some systems and configurations, theme changes are shared across Office apps, so you may notice Word and Excel adopt the same look automatically. That's it. Open PowerPoint, go to File, Options, General, pick your Office theme, black for full dark or dark gray for a subtler look, and restart the app if the change doesn't show up right away. Enjoy the new, comfortable workspace.